Wow, it's been over a week. I have been very busy here in Provo trying to find BLM that will be satisfactory for me. I've had problems with mice and all kinds of things, so you can take a look at those videos. But I've also changed the way I'm doing the potato starch. I take in this last week, I've taken a tablespoon in the morning and a tablespoon at night, but I've also added a tablespoon of collagen in the morning and a tablespoon of collagen at night. I think this is working better for me, but it's hard to say because I've been eating really, really poorly. Um, my visceral fat for the last 8 days has been exactly 18%. It hasn't gone, it hasn't gone down, it hasn't gone up. Um, Very steady, but I'm not feeling too bad about that because boy, have I been eating out a lot. Eating a lot of fast food and, eating on the run, as it were, as I'm going around town. So I'm at, excuse me, I'm at the BLM. My life is going to slow down a little bit. Things are going to be more predictable from day to day. And let's see how this works when I'm back onto my eating habits. So this last week was a transition week. I've gone from a tablespoon in the morning and a tablespoon at night, with the added tablespoon in the morning and tablespoon at night of collagen. So I'll be very interested to see how things are next week. Also, I'm finding out it's much harder to um, keep from dehydrating here in Provo than it was in Yuma. In Yuma, it was just too hot, so you just drank water all the time. Here, it's not hot, and I'm forgetting to drink my water, and I take a look at the amount of water in my body from the smart scale, and it fluctuates a lot from day to day. So I'm going to try to get on top of that and make that a little more normal. So this next week's worth of readings will be a little more predictable, and hopefully will start to go down. So you keep on watching, and I'll keep posting. All right. Thanks. Bye.